Today, we're going to focus on the grid edge, the edge of the electricity system. But when most of us think about the electricity system, we think about big pylons and big cables bringing power from big power stations, and that's about it. But somehow that power has to get to our homes and our businesses, where we connect to the network and use that energy. So here we are looking across at Osney Primary Substation in Oxford. This is where that energy comes from the big pylons and hits Oxford and its local network for the first time. It's also known as the low voltage network. This is the next level of the electricity system. This is a secondary substation here on Osney Island in Oxford. And this is where the power comes into the cables that take the electricity to our homes and businesses. These cables are called feeders, and they run from the secondary substation underground, branching out and delivering the electricity to our homes. Each house has its own electricity meter, which marks the point at which those feeder cables arrive at our homes and our homes connect to the electricity network. The amount of electricity that we use is measured by our meter. And that's the basis on which we are billed by our electricity company. Previously, all our electricity needs were met by energy that was generated in those big power stations, flowed through the cables in the substations, into the feeder cables and into our homes. However, this is changing. The way that it's changing at the grid edge is really important. Understanding that is going to help us manage our energy and ensure that our energy needs are met. We're using more and more electricity because our energy needs are rapidly increasing. As we move away from fossil fuels such as gas and petrol towards electric heating and transport, we need to find new ways to meet that demand. We're generating more of our electricity inside our homes and businesses, for example, putting solar panels on our roofs. The electricity they generate can be used to power our appliances, and any electricity we don't use can be exported into the local network to be used by our neighbours, turning what was once a one-way system into a two-way system. Installing a battery in our homes gives us the option to store energy for later, so power that's generated during the day on our solar panels can be used to cook our dinner in the evening. One way to support these changes would be to install costly upgrades to the network, bigger cables and bigger switches. Another way is to explore how we can become much more flexible and coordinated about the way that we use energy. We're looking at how flexible low-carbon technologies, combined with energy efficiency measures, can transform every home and every business into its own flexible energy system here at the grid edge. By becoming more efficient and flexible about our energy demand, we can all experience the benefits. Lower energy bills and healthier, warmer homes. Lower network costs and fewer disruptive upgrades. And a faster transition to the zero-carbon energy system that we all need.